Hey everyone, welcome back to the video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix the AirDrop is not working on your iPhone and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you just need to turn on the airplane mode and you have to check. So just go over here at the top over here like this and turn on the airplane mode, then just wait for a couple of seconds. And you just need to go back and turn it off, and you have to check with the AirDrop whether it's working or not. Still, if you're having any trouble, then what you need to do is we have to follow these instructions. Another one is all about you just need to go over here, just go to the notification over here, then you just need to tap on the AirDrop over here. And right now what you need to do is that will bring you this, and just tap over here. So we have these three options, whether you can keep it for receiving off, either you can keep it on contacts only, on for everyone for 10 minutes. So if you keep it on the contacts only, so whenever you do the AirDrop within the contacts, that will be visible. For the rest people it won't be there. So that is the reason I'm just asking you to change this one to everyone for 10 minutes. Then you have to check with it, and that might work. And also parallelly make notice that you have to turn on the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi as well. Now after trying with this, checking out or setting this on for everyone for 10 minutes for both devices, you have to check. Still, if it's not working, that should be another reason. You should be turn it on the DND or the do not disturb mode over here. You can see there is a moon icon over there. So it means it is DND. So what you need to do is just need to go over here. You have to do like this and make sure that you turn off the DND over here. Then you have to check with it, and that might work. Next one is all about what we need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down, and sometimes it might be restrictions. So tap on the screen time. Now from here we have to scroll it down a little bit and tap on content and privacy restrictions and check whether you turn it on this. So if it is turn it on, that is a reason, so just turn it off. Now we just need to go back, right? And now for some reasons the issue might be with the storage, right? If you go back to the general over here, now go to the iPhone storage. If you don't have space on your iPhone, so when you try to send any kind of documents, it won't get properly work because you don't have a storage to do this. So make sure that you have enough space over here as well. After trying with this, you can also try software updating. If you have any kind of an update, latest versions update, you can try for that, and that might work in some cases. And still after trying all these things, if it's not working, what you need to do is we just need to do a forced restart on your iPhone. Sorry. To do a forced restart, we have to press the volume up followed by the volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button over here. So let me show you that. So what you need to do is just press the volume up followed by volume down and press and hold the power button over here and listen until you see the Apple logo. Keep pressing. When you see the Apple logo, you're fine with it. Just wait for the further, so it will be turn it on. Then you have to check. Maybe most probably doing a forced restart, sometimes it fixes a lot of issue. So you have to try with this, and that might work as well. What you need to do is you just need to unlock your phone and just check with your AirDrop, and most probably that's going to help. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.